Following that announcement that the district attorney would not be seeking the death penalty in this case against Carlos Reales Dominguez, who is the defendant, attorneys then questioned Davis police officers on the witness stand who were at these crime scenes where these fatal stabbings took place back in April and May of last year. Now, these are the first witnesses to take the stand since Dominguez was ruled competent to stand trial. Dominguez was actually ruled incompetent to stand trial last year after being diagnosed with schizophrenia, but since then has been receiving psychotropic medicine and again is now competent and back in court. Those officers on the witness stand describing the scene of the crimes as they arrived and worked to figure out who was responsible for the attacks. The first fatal stabbing took place late at night on April 27th in Central Park in Davis. That's where officers say David Burrow was found stabbed to death on a bench. Officers mentioned finding a knife sheath at the scene with the Smith & Wesson logo on it, a distinctive characteristic that they would later match to a knife that they believed belonged to the defendant. Second fatal stabbing taking place 2 days later, also late at night, but this time in Sycamore Park in Davis, where UC Davis student Kareem Abu Najim was found stabbed to death. An officer described arriving on scene to find a man giving CPR to the victim and the conversation they had about hearing the attack.
Did he tell you why he was in the park at that time?
I believe he was actually, may have been by his house, which is across the street, when he heard a male yelling.
What did he hear being yelled?
He heard a male voice yelling, "Somebody help me, oh my God, help me."
Kareem Abu Najim's parents were inside of the courtroom and visibly emotional when hearing about that testimony of their son yelling for help during that attack at Sycamore Park, which eventually led to his death. The defendant, Dominguez, is facing 2 counts of murder with enhancements and another count of attempted murder. They are all expected to be back in court tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Reporting in Woodland, covering local news that matters, I'm Zach Boeto, Fox 40 News.